To the channel, firstly welcome bro. In this video I'll give you the one biggest reason you still single and a solution to that problem. So let's get into it. The biggest reason to why you are single is because you are too needy. Yes, neediness. You text them too much. You always double text. You talk to them every single day. Neediness means you have no other options. It means you only attracted to this one girl. And the fact that you don't have other options draws a line. She'll start to think to herself, why doesn't he have any other options? Is it because he's not attractive or desirable? Look man, beautiful girls see that he's always around other beautiful girls, which means they see you in a valuable and attractive way. It's simple. If you hear other people saying something is awesome, you might think it's awesome as well, right? Same with girls, they also think the same way. Now, the solution to this problem is pursue other girls, but this would likely make you desperate. So I'd suggest you to have other options so you don't be too needy on one girl. Focus on your goals, start to work out, do your house chores, do homework, anything, but do not spend the whole day talking to her. Now if you loved the tips I gave you, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, because in the next video I'm going to teach you how to never get friend zoned.